So if we use a lot of pattern in achieving a particular garment or a particular design, in this tutorial I'm going to explain how you can arrange them properly on the multiple tiles in your UV editor in case you want to export them to any other software. But before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial from Timmy the Creator. So let's begin. So next thing I'm going to do is to go to my UV editor, click on the drop down, click on the UV editor. So let's wait for it to load. So now we have the pants, we have the t-shirt, and we have the beanie. So let's assume I want to use 3 tiles in tiling this pattern. So what I'll first do is to select the t-shirt pattern first. Then I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click on select style, and I'm going to click on apply. You can see that we have the t-shirt pattern in the first tile. So if I want to put the pants pattern on the second tile, what I'll do is just highlight the pattern and go to the UV packing. I'm going to select 2 1. You see this 2 1 is here. You can see this box here. I'm going to select apply, and we have this here, and I'm going to close this. The third one is this, so I will highlight the pattern for the beanie. I'm going to go to the UV packing. I'm going to select 3, and I'm going to select apply, and I'm going to cancel this. I can see this is faster than most of my previous tutorial whereby you just have to arrange them one by one, and then you can now bake them here. Select the texture type you want to bake and your saving part, and then you can do the rest in any external software. Also, don't forget to check out my Mockup website whereby I sell some animated design and project file. So thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more video.